Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Dimma. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. To my returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make yummy, delicious, mouth-watering bitter leaf soup. It's also called onugbu soup. Don't worry about the name, there is nothing bitter about this soup. If you want to know how I made this delicious soup, sit back, relax and enjoy. Let's start by quickly going through our recipe. This is the bitter leaf I'll be using. You'll be needing scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be using red oil. You can also use palm nut stock if you want. This is my seasoning mix for seasoning up my protein. I will be using beef as my protein. You can use cow skin, goat meat, turkey, any protein you want. This is my crayfish. I will also be using stockfish. You can't make bitter leaf soup without stockfish. Stockfish gives it a better taste. I will also be using dry fish. For my thickener, I will be using cocoyam powder. In here, I have my ogiri, my game changer. You cannot make this soup without ogiri. Then my seasoning cubes and my salt. I'll start by washing my okporoko, that is stockfish, and my dry fish with hot water. This dry fish and stockfish, they're always exposed in the market, so you need to wash it with hot water and salt for it to be properly clean. Let's start making our onugbu soup. In a neat pot, you would like to introduce your beef or cow skin or whatever protein you are using. Then you add in your stockfish and also your dry fish already properly washed. I'm adding all this together because they all have the same cooking time. I'll go ahead and spice up my protein with my seasoning mix, seasoning cubes, salt, blended scotch bonnet pepper and crayfish. I'll give it a quick stir and then cover it up for it to steam up. I won't add water yet. While our protein is sitting on fire, let's wash our bitter leaf. This is one thing I don't like doing, washing bitter leaf, because the stress in doing this thing, oh my god. But if you want to get bitter leaf, some people get their own by the river side so that it will be properly washed. And make sure you taste it. If you are getting from the market, make sure you taste it so that it will not be bitter. If your bitter leaf is not properly washed, your soup tends to be bitter. So I already washed my bitter leaf, but for you to just do justice to this, you just massage it with your two hands and wash it off. Some people boil their bitter leaf separately to remove the bitterness too. Let me know on the comment section how you get rid of the bitterness from your bitter leaf. I'm going to keep this aside. Let's check on our protein. I just wanted my seasoning to incorporate properly into my protein. I'll go ahead and add water to the level of the content in the pot, give it a quick stir and cover it up to continue cooking. Let's go ahead and prep our thickener. I'll go ahead and add a little water and stir it. Remember, you can use cocoyam paste, achi, or oatmeal, that is quaker oats. Yes, you heard me, oatmeal, because it is almost tasteless, just like cocoyam flour or cocoyam paste. So it's just to thicken your soup, and that can also serve as your thickener. I'll just go ahead and stir it and make sure there is no lump found in it. Let's go back to our soup. Okay, the soup is cooking very well, so it's time to start adding other things. To this, I'll add my palm oil. Remember, you can use banga stock. I made a video of oha soup where I used banga stock and also cocoyam paste. That soup was given. So if you've not watched it, please do well to go and watch it. I will also be going in with my thickener. that is the cocoyam powder already mixed, then my game changer, ogiri. Never you make bitter leaf soup without ogiri or oha soup. It will just change everything for you to take the soup to another level. At this point, I'll add my remaining scotch bonnet pepper and crayfish, give it a quick stir and cover it up to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. If you've watched to this moment, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not. Also help me share out this video so that others can see this amazing recipe. You guys see how our soup is cooking. I think after oha soup, this is my second best soup. You guys, the aroma from this soup, bitter leaf soup is a must prepare in every Igbo occasion. If you do traditional marriage or burial without bitter leaf, no, that occasion is not occasioning. I don't know if there is any English like that, sha. Okay, it's time to add in our bitter leaf. We are almost done, guys. I'm adding it now because I have to cover it up to cook again for like 5 minutes so that the bitter leaf will be soft. This recipe looks easy, right? Because I didn't go through the process of processing the banga stock and pounding the cocoyam paste. I just made everything easy by using palm oil and cocoyam powder. Please, if you've not watched my oha soup video, please kindly go and watch it. It's a must-try recipe. If you've watched to this moment, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Thank you, guys. I'll be putting up all the recipes I use for making this soup in my description box. Kindly check the description box. At this point, you can taste to confirm if you have the right quantity of salt. If not, you can top up. Guys, this soup is giving. If you've not had this soup before, after watching this recipe, you must have to go and try it. If you like onugbu soup like I do, please drop a lovely comment in the comment section. Guys, this soup is the soup for welcoming in-laws. For welcoming your husband. After making this soup for your husband, ask him for anything, trust me, he's going to do it. Guys, at this point, our soup is ready. You can turn off your gas at this point. Okay, I'm going to have my own with eba. You can have yours with any swallow of your choice, wheat, fufu, eba, semo, anyone, but I'm going to have mine with eba. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and also subscribe if you've not. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.